guys, it's me Kayla, and today I have a short vlog for you, like a short vlog, about how we survive this temperature. Yeah, enjoy! Like 32 Celsius here. It's really hot. That's why Mylo is in the video. Mylo is a bit grumpy. He's lying over there. I think he can't handle the temperature. Oh, see? So the first thing we did when it got so hot was closing the curtains. So now the curtains are closed for like, yeah, a couple of days. And that's because the sun can't burn us all in our house. And yeah, I don't know if it helps. Does it help, Mom? Nah, not sure, a little bit. Yeah. And Mom and I are going to make dinner. And what are we eating, Mom? Yeah, I think it's called Pokeball. Pokeball? Like Pokemon? No, not like Pokemon. It's rice and some veggies and yeah. Now let's have a sneak peek outside. We can see the sun. Ah, oh my gosh. It's so hot. Oh, and by the way, if you saw the video of us planting the seeds, now you can see that our plants are getting veggies. They're getting tomatoes, look. No, I think you can't see this. Oh yeah, that's my laundry, my pants. Maybe we can look closer. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, our tomatoes. Yummy. Okay, and close it again. Yes. Okay, let's do an interview with Mylo. Let's see. Hi, Mylo. Oh. Mylo, you're on the video. You're on YouTube right now. I know. Yeah, so maybe you can cheer everyone up. This is not working. Kayla, this is not an interview. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Hi, Mylo. Hi. Okay, so what do you think about the temperature right now? Too hot. Yeah. What would you like to do? I would like to swim. All the beaches are too beaches. Oh, I can't even speak anymore. All the beaches are too busy and we can't because we're still in quarantine. Yeah, we also don't have like a swimming pool or something to put on our balcony. So Mom has some, how do you call that? Those boxes, or I don't know how you call it, where you do the dishes in. And she sometimes fills them with ice cold water and then we have like something to swim in. But Mylo already did that this morning and in the beginning of the afternoon. So I don't know why it didn't work. Didn't that work, Mylo? Well, a little bit, but now I'm hot again. Okay, come on, Kayla. What? Let's make dinner. Okay. Yay. Dinner. We're gonna make it in this bowl so we can all get something out of that. Okay, so Mom already cooked some rice. So now it can chill, it can cool down. And also, Mommy made some eggs. I didn't make them, I cooked them. Oh yeah, cooked some eggs. Mommy cooked some eggs. Yeah, I'm not a chicken. This is what we're going to put into it. Surimi, cucumber, avocado, tomatoes, and olives. And of course the eggs. Yummy! It's looking so yummy already. And Mom is going to finish it with some sauce. Yummy. Oh no. So good. Mylo. Oh, he's really grumpy. Mylo, there's something delicious here. Oh my gosh. Looking good, Mommy. Yeah, and Kayla helped me. Oh, looking good, Kayla. Thank you. We're now watching Harry Potter. Part 4. Can't look. Ah! It's okay. It's just a movie. I know, but it's a scary movie. Oh my gosh. You don't think it's scary, Mylo? Oh, it's too hot. Wow, guys, do you hear? Never felt so happy with Thunderstorm. Huh. Happy now, Mylo? Yeah, happy. Oh. And we're laying in bed now, guys. I don't know if you can see us. Mom, can you turn the light on? Yes, I can. Yay, better. Oh, you need pajamas. Mom, can we sleep in this? It's so hot. Yeah, okay, pajamas are just too hot now. Okay, Mylo? Yeah, better. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching the video. And, whoa, it's thunderstorming so much. Yeah. Okay, but thank you guys for watching the video. We hope to see you next time. Bye. Bye. Night.